Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper on Monday, October the 5th, 2022. I've already solved two puzzles: the 3 stars Sudoku, the 4 stars Sudoku. This one is really a 4 stars Sudoku, and two puzzles are left: the tectonic with 4 stars and the binary. But it's binary time. Yes, let me solve this one. This one will be number 5 to let me see, 6 9. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Well, let me count the boxes. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 4 O's and 4 ones. Alright, so let's get started. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Between two O's comes in one. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, and there no. Double O, here one, there one. Between two ones comes an O. Between two ones comes an O. Between two O's comes an 1. Between two O's comes an 1. This one should be also a hard one. Between two O's comes an 1. Double one, here no, there no. Between two O's comes an 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 1. So the rest are O's. Let me see. Between two ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Between two ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. I know between a 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there. But I do not know in which order, so we have the first one, second one, third one, and the fourth one. So this box should be an O. Right. Then 3, 2, 1, 2, 3. Well, need to think again. Think again. 1, okay. Yeah. This is a 1. Oh. Ooh. Interesting. Well, 3 ones we have here. If I place number 4 there, then we have 4 O's in a row in this column. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be 1. This should be an O. If I place number 4 here, then we still have 3 O's in a row in this column. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be 1. This should be an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, okay. Here we have 3 O's. If I place number 4 there, then we have 1, 2, 3 ones in a row in this row. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be no. This should be a 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 1. So the rest are O's. Between two O's comes in 1. Okay, and now. 1, 2, 3. No. Well. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. This is I think we need to compare. Yeah. Need to compare. Cannot continue. We have here, let me see, 3 completed rows. 1, 2 completed columns. Okay. 101. 101. Oh. Not the same. Not the same. Yeah. Not the same. Well, if I look to this row, column, and that column, look to the O's. Here we have a O. Here we have a O. And there we have a O. I cannot place the O there because we already have an O there. Otherwise, we will have identical columns. So this can be an O. This should be a 1. Okay. 4 ones we have here. So the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here. So the rest are 1s. Compare again. Yeah. Need to compare again. Look. This row and that row. Oh, 1, 1, empty box. So we need to switch those 2 digits. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have an O here, this should be a 1. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Well. Need to compare again. But need to compare. Do we have a double O here? Yeah, this column. And a lot of comparing in that column. Okay. 1, empty box, 1, 1. Need to switch those 2 digits. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have an O here, this should be a 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Finish in 7 minutes. Well, this one is also a hard one. You need to think. Think. But we solve it again. And I like this one. Really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle of today, a tectonic with 4 stars. Until then, bye bye for now.